Entution Vesta is a cloud-based health commodity supply chain solution with mobile apps which is designed for all stakeholders, from Ministry of Health to last-mile service delivery point. The user could simply start using the app, spending less than 5 minutes. Through Vesta options, users can request for goods in 3 simple steps. Choose product group, select product, and request quantity. The app allows the user to see the status of the requested items, accept received goods, check stock status, and allocate supplies for campaigns ahead of time. Quarantine option helps track and record product expiry or damaged goods. Most importantly, the ability to work offline eliminates communication issues, improving the efficiency of the entire process. Near real-time visibility to supply needs of each regional store streamlines supply planning, purchasing, and distribution throughout all locations. As the solution is powered by the award-winning cloud ERP platform Entution, it gives the advantage to scale and expand the solution throughout a country and globally. With Entution Vesta in place, you can deliver right supplies to right people at the right time. Entution Vesta, improving health and well-being of your community.